Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to send automatic emails in Outlook. Now, in order for us to get this done, it's very important for us to use the classic Outlook, otherwise we won't be able to get this done. In the newest Outlook edition, there is no option for us to send or scheduled an automatic email. So yeah, again, when we are here using classic, I'm just going to go ahead and click new email right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and basically add the recipient. So I'm going to go ahead and type this one real quick, and then I'm going to go ahead and add here the CC if I'm interested in doing so. And then down below you have here your subject, so I'm going to go ahead and type here scheduled email, and then down below I'm going to go ahead and write here, hey, I'm sending this as an automatic reply. So again, go ahead and fill in the informations needed. In here, I want you guys to basically do this one as if you are writing a message for that particular person. Now, after doing so, go ahead and click the options, and then we're going to look for delay delivery. So go ahead and click this one right here. And then under delivery options, you have here do not deliver before. So you can go ahead and click this one right here, and then basically choose the time and date that you are going to send this. So say for example, I'm going to deliver this one on September 9, so that's going to be Monday, and let's say for example around 10 a.m. And then after doing so, you can just go ahead and close this one. There's no need for you to save it. You can just go ahead and tap the send button right here. Now, if you're going to head over to the sent item, you're not really going to see it here. Instead, you can go over to the outbox. So from here, you'll be able to see your scheduled email. And yep, that is how you are going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.